True salute. Another welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, look how you see them. Manchester City 4 and Chelsea 0. And we get a guy who say, we be like say, now Chelsea fan, even though they smile, I don't know whether this smile reach your belly, but Oga will say, now how you see Chelsea performance for this match?
Very poor now. This one not dey argue am again. Like poor, everybody see am. I don't know. Say I don't mean say I don't know why the team. But I think say the problem na our coach. Although we get injury problems, so but the coach, he tactics, his selections, not the follow road, not follow road. So for now, not dey well. The team not dey well.
Okay, now you don't talk say to you as a Chelsea fan, with what you see for the performance, you think say na coach be wahala. You get one of my bros who be like say now don't get sports and football journalist. When people they talk say this ball with Chelsea they play under Graham Potter na Potter ball. He say no be Potter ball, he say na Potter ball. To you, that statement they correct, and you like what you see under this manager.
Even if you play any game with no results, na any happen now. Anytime you play ball, like when Sarri decide they do 90 passes in how many 10 minutes, 90 passes. At the end, we not dey progress. We all of us best for Sarri ball now. So as your style not dey give us results, not be better ball. So just be when we dey play 10 back, one attack, we get results. We not complain. So whether Potter ball, not be Potter ball, as Sarri just not dey come, not be better ball.
So to you as a Chelsea fan, you dey complain about the manager. May he go or may he stay.
I no come know because make things themselves don tire me o. If you wan go, make you go. If you wan stay, make you stay. My own be say they give am small time o. If you no deliver, I need to sack am. At least guy, all the game total wey don for Chelsea na just 13 games. But if you like at least make this in the end. Make like say we just get 3 coach for one season. Make it just end. Because like this now, we don't meet it top 4. The winter I see, we don't meet it top 4. So I don't get any coach who work magic like this again. Highest now Europa. So at least most if you do, first thing go end. The next season we get a new coach.
So as a Chelsea fan, to you, any hope there for trophy this season?
No. I hope it come now. At least we don't lose league, we don't lose FA Cup, we don't lose Cali Cup. We put all our head for Champions League now. Anything can still happen. When we win our last under Thomas Tuchel, nobody predicts now. We never say Chelsea go win Champions League. Anything can happen in football until season end. So football will know what will happen. So just yes.
So make I ask you about one of Chelsea new signing. Today we never see much. We know we use one match. Say Georgia, Destro Fofana. How you see the player? We you don't see for some of the games where you don't see YouTube and all. And today the small thing what you see. What do you get to talk about this kind of signing?
I tell you something every day. For you to come Chelsea alone first, you be a good player. You understand? Now whether Chelsea go fit use it well, because that's our biggest problem. We for Chelsea. So many players dey when we say they are good with our team, but we don't use them for Chelsea. So now whether we fit use them, that matter. Not be whether he good. Well, good. I don't see highlight. Get speed, get pace, get power, African mentality. But now whether this coach or coach will fit blend the boy with the team, that be Chelsea problem. Because now yesterday Enzo Fernandez, when we don't get good link up with our attack, the best so DM. Who just really need a creative midfielder? That really need. Player like the Odegaard, the Kevin De Bruyne, not they give us that link with attack and midfield. Not the Chelsea, not investing midfield. So in the long run, now good signing. But the work we want to see now, whether this coach go fit blend the teams together, that won't be the issue for us now. Yes.
So Oga will say before I let you go, for this FA Cup, now which teams should they predict say go win now?
I'm not sitting now. We don't predict again. Now they be a gonga team again now. But let them Arsenal, Liverpool, remember? Liverpool won't play around with Wolves. So only them Arsenal remember. Man City go beat Arsenal.
And the winner of Arsenal and Oxford also.
Arsenal go beat Oxford. Arsenal go beat Oxford. Man City go beat Arsenal. Whether rain fall or not, I'm not sure. That's what it go be. Because Arsenal not sure for the league again. So with Ghana, the coach will be with his pride. Go put effort on Champions League and FA Cup. That's what it go just be. Yes.
All right, now God will say thank you for your time. My country people, now lawyer boy of course we dey loyal like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as we take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.